elected to address this distinguished event, Sheikh Ahmadou Bamba Day, on behalf of the Al-Azhar Tuba team in Los Angeles. In the religious creed naturally lays some fundamental principles that serve as a guideline to its adherents. Though the study of those principles is determined, its level of conformity with the Quran and the Sunnah. In this purpose, I intend to explore the basic principle on which stands the Muridiyya as stated by its founder, Sheikh Ahmadou Bamba himself. Answering to a former governor of West African French colony who asked him about the Muridiyya, he declared, "The creed is based on Al-Aman faith in conformity with the knowledge of unity of Allah. Tawheed al-Islam, religious practice in line with the five Islamic law, and Al-Hasan ethics said that the excellent attitude in worshiping God to tasawwuf." He explained that those principles as follows. The first duty of the principle is to provide himself with the knowledge of Tawheed, the oneness of God, before deciding to live inside the community and indulging along into the practice of Zakh or advocating jihad, struggle to purify one's soul, not killing people. Then he must follow the creed of Ahlul Sunnah as well as the consensus of Muslims. This is the shield. Because the dark shadow of an inventory faith hides the light of obedience to the guide, Allah, afterwards he has to learn about all that authentifies the fulfillment of his personality, religious duty as defined. Like purification, believe in God and his prophets. Fasting Ramadan, prayer Salat, the pilgrimage of the house of Allah, and the legal charity Zakat as well. Then if he wants spiritual conjunction, he commits himself with a perfect example that follows the messenger. He, the perfect guide, shall lead him by means of signs and worship, and ensure his education by getting him grace of usual way of life.